on what the price is telling us today. Gorgeous July 29th, Monday in beautiful southern Florida. Let's see what the S is telling us. The S is telling us once again on weekly chart that it came incredibly close to 1700 number. And what did the S do when once again danger zone had been breached? Yes, had given us pullback. Has it been meaningful pullback? Absolutely not. It's a correction. The bulls are not giving up. They're showing potential of blasting much further. This is a reminder what happened to the price when danger zone was reached for the first time. We received three-wave bearish pullback. So this is incredibly critical day. How far will ES correct? What am I monitoring for currently? Incredibly interesting numbers to the downside, such as 1681 and 1680. Incredibly excited about buying at 1680 as I'm witnessing this as very critical area. But oh my gosh, how is predictable? Decision point 1, the end of the minor trend on daily chart. There we go. Price had bounced off this level. Insane power. So that's how critical to know where these levels are. This is the end of the minor trend. If you don't know how to read your price, if you're entering anywhere near this massive support level, nothing good will happen. So that's why it's absolutely critical to see what ES will do at 1680, because if ES will blast through 1680, it will continue further collapse and will revisit decision point 1 one more time. But this is a magic of your price. That's how critical it is to know where the end of the minor trend is. And that's why it is such a beautiful magenta color, because it is essential and critical to your trading success to identify this very powerful support and resistance level. And all it is pure price. That's what tells us where these levels are. Oil. Well, hold on one second. Let's see, where is ES? Hourly. Ta-da. That was ES daily, correct? Where did ES hourly go? On the meantime, let's take a look and let's see what oil daily had shown us. All the levels drawn on oil on July 20th. Oh no, oil is still bouncing in danger zone levels, because danger zone levels are exhaustion of the major trend as expected. Nowhere decision point 1 is the end of the minor trend, and nowhere danger zone levels are the end of the major trend. Absolutely essential and critical to monitor what price will do at these support levels. So what is oil weekly doing currently? There we go. Exact same magnificent, beautiful magenta level where oil staged spectacular rally in the middle of April. So shall we monitor and shall we see what oil is doing currently, and when oil is at the daily structure? Where is oil currently to the upside? Oh no, oil is at decision point 2. It was not a weak pullback on oil, was it? It was pretty spectacular reversal this week on oil. Oil, very important what oil will do this week. Is this a reversal or is this a correction? We'll revisit this at the end of this week. And here is oil hourly. The danger. Oil had been struggling at these levels immensely, and this spectacular magnificent rally started on July 25th because danger zone exhaustion of the bearish trend had been reached. This was unbelievable chop on Friday. This is picture perfect reminder. If you are trading on Friday, nothing good happens on that day. This was brutal chop, corrective. This was each and every bearish move was met with selling, with buying power, except the buying power was not spectacular. It was quite a fluff. Overnight, magnificent rally on oil picked up this steam I will be analyzing oil structure very, very shortly, as this is finally showing to us that buyers are here with vengeance. I will give you all the projections very, very shortly in the trading room to the upside, because this rally is not to be taken for granted. What do I see next? Next, I see that oil will find a huge resistance at 105.80, but this hour is incredibly critical to see, is this a pullback? How powerful this pullback is. So let's see if we found ES 1 hour chart, of course. ES that staged a shocker of a collapse on Friday, showing a potential of bouncing all the way to tada. By the way, I'm getting questions. What is ES? ES is S&P 500 future. ES is showing potential of bouncing all the way to 1685.50. That's where I will be monitoring huge selling pressure on ES. This is where the end of the minor trend will be. Next level, if decision point 1 is broken, 1686.75, and all the way into the danger zone level. This buying rally that started overnight is not to be taken for granted. We have news coming up in 20 minutes. Will be very, very, very important to monitor what will transpire at decision point 1 level.